Hello everybody, Sawadi Kaptuk Kone. Just behind me we got the Kua-Moong Café in Chiang Mai, Thailand. As usual, I will put the location in the description below for those of you that might find yourself in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Even before entering the coffee shop, we have some little chickens to greet us. Bark, 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 bark. There's something fishy about this place. Just can't put my finger on why. Okay guys, so I just sat down with a iced latte, my go-to drink. That's good. Oh, that's exactly what I need. Cold and creamy on a nice hot day. Love it. Also, I'm happy to say that I'm not alone. I have my good buddy James here. Say hello, James. He's quiet today. Must be in a bad mood. Kind of reminds me of Steve from my earlier videos. The staff was even kind enough to give me some mosquito spray. It will be needed as you can see, we are surrounded by trees and water. And with trees and water comes mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. The property here is actually quite big, which I would love it if you would join me to explore it a little bit. Just after I finish my latte and my ice cream. We even got an art gallery over there. Awesome. I'm such a loser. Look what I ordered. Now what's funny about this is I went and I ordered this iced latte with no sugar. But Ting Tong Dustin, being Ting Tong Dustin, obviously decides to order himself a banana sundae. The cherry on top. Neapolitan, I believe, underneath all that whipping cream. Oh yeah. Gotta get the whipping cream, the banana, chocolate sauce all at once. Strawberry, ice cream. Being in shape is overrated. Get that ice cream. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, done and done. Time to explore. Let's go. James, it was a pleasure drinking some coffee with you and dining with you. Fist bump. If you haven't already, guys, please subscribe. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Join my Ting Tong army. Little cockatiels. So cool. The art gallery. Let's go. Good day to you, sir. I'm pretty sure one of the owners here is an artist. He's got a little gallery set up here. They're all actually quite good. This guy looks like he's relaxing after a hard day's labor. Looks like he earned it. Hey, I recognize that. Hey man, they've got a parrot. There are a lot of birds here. Interesting. Kind of feel bad for him. He only wants to be free. Now if you continue walking towards the back, you will find this. A nice little pond where you can apparently do some kayaking. Very quiet here. Hey guys, next up make sure you watch this video and check out this playlist, and do not forget to subscribe. Kap, choop choop. See you guys. More chickens.